Hello everyone, Jessie B here and welcome back. Sorry, I have the hiccup. Welcome back to another video. So, today I'm around my nan's again, and I've come back from school. I have the hiccups, so I'm sorry, but I'm going to be hiccuping a lot in this video. Hopefully it stops. Yes, anyway, I've come back from school, and yeah, just been sitting down watching YouTube again, and I had my dinner and I had some ice cream as well, and I've been talking to my friends and my mum, and I'm really annoyed now of my hiccups, of course. Not of you guys. I would never get annoyed at you guys unless you start putting hate comments. But yeah, see what I mean about the hiccups? I like it really on my nerves. Oh. Yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, I have hiccups. And alright, so enough of that. So anyway, we're going bowling tomorrow and stuff. And I finally got but yeah, there's nothing really else to say today. I'm loop-de-loop and that's it. You guys have already figured out that I'm loop-de-loop, haven't you? AKA crazy, but yeah. Nothing really else to say today. I have hiccups, I'm loop-de-loop, and there's nothing else to say.